MG guys, you have to check this out. Nakikita ko siya from afar pa lang. Yan. Hindi na siya kita kasi may wall, may gate. Pero kanina, yung ano, basta tingnan nyo mamaya. So, I come from Florence, then I took the train to come here to Pisa. So, it's actually the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Look. Ay, diba? Bilisan ko kasi yung memory ng aking SD card. Kailangan mo ikuha ko. Memory. Hopefully, may storage pa itong SD card. Grabing dami ko. OMG, I made it to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Amazing. Look, ang laki, no? Bilisan natin maglakad. Kasi hapon na. Habang may araw pa, at saka yung memory. Kasi baka biglang mamatay ulit. Bakit pa na? Binuksan ko habang andun na. Malayo ko rin. But anyways, so yun. May nakasakay ako na Pinoy dun sa train. And then she has a hotel here. I'm not sure. I think she already come here to the Pisa because she's not coming here. But she guide me where the route to actually walk to here. Because it's not directly in front of the train station. You have to walk for a few minutes to get here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's real. It's really leaning, like leaning. Oh boy, amazing. So, makakabalik ako ng Florence gabi na siguro. Kasi, ngayon pa lang, it's already hapon. So, yeah. Look at that. Oh, OMG. Hala. Nakatakot mo. Naglilin talaga siya. But anyways. Let's try to take the picture. Hoy. Ano ba tong phone ko? Bakit? 1 year ka palang sa akin. Gumana ka pa. Wait lang. My phone is kind of... I'm not sure. It's happening sa gilpad lang pala. How am I going to take a photo of this? Ang ganda na ito. Ito na araw. Wait lang yung phone ko. Kaya ako, reboot. Kasi naman, I need to come closer to this tower. Kasi I need to have a shot of it really near. Leaning Tower of Pisa. Wala pa akong picture sa iyo, pero naman. Grabe, no? Akala mo hindi ako nakawala ng luggage. Wala kasi akong magawa for now. Wala akong internet, wala akong SIM card. So, I am trying to forget it muna para hindi ma-spoil ang aking time with this. So, I'll forget it in the meantime. Yun nga, problema ko talaga. Because all my things are there. Lahat! Ano bang naiwan sa akin? Sling bag with my phone camera. Oh, sorry. Okay. The 4 minutes na. There. Ang ganda mo. Hi, I love Italy. How do you say I love? Te amo. Te amo, te quiero. Spanish, Portuguese, I don't know. Je t'aime, Italia. Je t'aime is actually French. OMG. Look at that. Look at that face. I made it to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Amazing. Nakikita lang kita sa picture. Ito ka pala talaga. Grabe. Pahawak na. Totoo ka pala talaga. You're for real. Ayan. Ayan yung base niya. Oh, okay. So ito pag magpa-akit ka doon, pag nakapatakot mo ko, baka tuluyang bumigay, laglag ka. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Grabe ang daming tao pala dito. Because of this, leaning. Kung hindi to leaning, hindi masyado madami yung taong interest dito. But it's leaning. It's unique. That. So, that is the for the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Later, hopefully, makarating ako sa before magdilim sa Florence. So, that's all. Hindi siya leaning pag dito tingin, pero pag dito sa my side, leaning siya. Yun. So, yun lang muna. Ciao! From Pisa, Tuscany.